So I've got an area that used to be my bedroom, and I've moved my bed into my living room where my whole work area is with my computer, video editing, and drawing. So let's go and take a look at this room and I'll show you what I've done. This is a big plant that somebody gave me. It's a fake one, and don't gotta worry about watering it, at least. So anyways, this room used to be my bedroom, and I moved my bed from that corner into my living room. But I'll be using this whole area to do record bigger drawings, such as this completely random doodle. Don't know what it is that I'm drawing there, but I've got these little like hooks I can hang stuff on. There's like a little nail there, like holding this up, but I can hang drawings on that if I'd like. And then I have I usually just put my box fan in the window there, but that's where I can record things for if I want to talk about something. I've got the lights over there, big umbrella lights if I need more light in here. If I'm recording at night or something, then I can do that. But I've got most of the place rearranged and cleaned up. As far as what else I'm going to add in here, I can't really think of anything at the moment, but I would say that I'll be keeping this whole area to where it's empty, so I like to stretch in here and do big drawing. And the way I have this set up is I've got an outlet there that I can plug things into, such as my camera, which I have. I can plug it in there to charge it. This is just a plug-in where I can run the camera off of the plug-in there, rather than always having to use the battery. But it's convenient because I can set up a umbrella light here, umbrella light there, and then if I want to, I can set up a big location where I could do a drawing. And plus, with that, I have all this area of light coming in from there and there, so that gives me extra light during the day, and I have the umbrella lights there for nighttime if need be. So it gives me a lot more space. I was going to use my other room out there, kind of make it like this, but I've got so much stuff, drawing supplies and everything, that I just didn't have the room. But yeah, this is kind of the chair that I'll sit in sometimes, and I'll be sitting here talking about random things, topics. Hey, if there's anything that you have suggested, go ahead and let me know and I can make a topic on it. But sometimes I just come in this room, sit, and think about things, or make a speech and talk about stuff. But yeah, this is how I have it set up for now. I don't imagine myself rearranging anything anymore, because it's set up pretty well. I have plenty of room. But there's my dresser. As I said, this is where I set up big drawings and everything. And then up here I just store like all of my other random boxes of stuff and things that I keep all of my boxes so I can keep my warranty. And then I have, let me try and turn the light on here, maybe that'll help some. So my dresser, and this here is just that's a drawing I actually had put in a museum for a short time. And then this was it's like a painting that someone gave me. A big canvas I need to work on, and then there's some doodles behind it. But I also have the overhead light there if I need extra light during the day or nighttime, like if it gets really cloudy out. Especially in the winter, it's always overcast and I don't get much light. And this is my closet area. All of my clothes and assortment of random things that I have to go through and organize. It's actually a little painting done by my nephew. He gave to me. I just have it hanging up in there. But yeah, this is where my clothes are. I store those things in there. But I've been thinking about, probably in this area, making videos teaching artists how to stretch, things that can help them for stretching, like your neck, your back, your legs, or whatever else. A lot of the problems that artists have is stretching their neck and their lower back, which always hurts from sitting around all day. And this is just like a giant clipboard, and I use it to put paintings on. It's like if I'm watercoloring, I just can have it upright, and can the paint run down if I want to give it that effect. So, but this is the area in this room, and this thing here is just like a big storage area that I have for some of my drawings that are unfinished or finished, such as this one here. I think everybody's seen that one in a video that I've done before. But yeah, there's a lot of room in here. I mean, there's so many things I can do. So it's convenient, nice to have. Sometimes, like if I'm working on a lot of stuff, I forget that I have all this space in here. So, but it does make it nice that I've got all this room. So, tell me what you think about this. Any ideas that you have that I could use this room for, other than big drawings or teaching people how to stretch. But I'm gonna sit down, think about stuff a little bit, and go make myself some breakfast. But until then, I'll see you in the next video, and go ahead and leave a comment down below and tell me what you think. And until then, give it a like, share it with your friends, and you have a good day. I'll see you later.